Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how I apply these false lashes on my eyes, so if that interests you then just keep on watching. I begin by measuring this lash to my eye size, and I noticed that this lash strip is a bit long, so I'll be taking these scissors and cut towards the end. I just cut a little bit so that it can actually fit my eye size. This is how much I will be cutting off. Before applying the falsies, I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes and also apply mascara. This way when I do apply the lashes, it can sit comfortably on my natural lashes. Using a lash tweezer, I'm just going to put the eyelash right in the middle of it and then apply lash glue right on the band. It's important to allow the glue to become tacky, so I wait about 10 to 15 seconds before applying, and here I'm just gonna start applying it right in the middle of my lash line, and then I gently press down on each corner. This is the final look. I really love the end result. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!